Hi friends, I'm Juan here, up to the sun, where I bring your lifestyle, fandom realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. It is still hot as the dickens out, and to combat that, I decided to cool off with these mystery pin boxes featuring Pixar soft serve characters. But before we get into these, I do have a pin tray to share with you. Also, apologies if you can hear the fan. It is hot. We just had like this random thunderstorm out there, and it was like, ugh. Gross and muggy all day, so I'm gonna be suffering if I don't have a fan on me. So I do apologize if there's a lot of like issues with the audio. But I did receive some pin mail, so let's go ahead and get into this. A nice little card here, and I'm terrible because I sent just like a post-it note. But it was a Pachoco post-it note, okay? So it was cute. It reads, Juan, thank you so much for the trade, getting closer to completing the set. Hope we're able to trade again. Thanks, Mickey D. Now, Mickey D is a YouTuber, and she just started her channel not too long ago. She probably started a lot longer, and I just don't know. But I noticed that she was sharing some of her pin collection and some of the things that she was getting. And one of the sets that she was interested in completing were the Box Lunch Fantasia pins that we just unboxed. So I was able to trade with her like a Hercules pin and another pin that she was missing from the Fantasia set, which was the broom. And I traded for Mike Wazowski. This was a really cool pin. I love how it's metallic. It has a sheen of this green. The iris is even green. I just thought these were so fun and unique. So I definitely had to pick this one. And this is what the back looks like. I really don't know where this comes from, but I'm obsessed. And then I also got Sully. Very, very cool. Again, I love the metallic finishes on these, or chrome-esque. Very unique. Again, have no clue where this comes from. So if you know where these are from, comment down below, let me know. But I just couldn't pass a chance to trade for these. Thank you so much again, Mickey, for those. I look forward to trading with you in the future. But we all know that I have terrible traders. So thankfully, she found something that she wanted. Y'all please make sure to go check out her channel. I'll link it down below so you can go ahead and quickly peruse there and subscribe, because she's really sweet. So go ahead and make sure that you're checking her out. Okay, back to these. So this soft serve series, you know, I never really got into like characters as other things, whether they're food, butterflies, mirrors, whatever. But I just thought that this was so cute, and there is a sparkly element to these, so you know how much I love sparkle. And I was just so happy to see so much Pixar, because we have Buzz Lightyear, we have Wall-E, we have, oh shoot, the old man from Up. What's his name? It's not my favorite, so of course I'm gonna forget. And then we have Sully, and then we have Heimlich there, and then we have Merida, and then we have my boy Miguel, and then there's Dory. I have 7 of these. We know how these things go for me. But I would really, really love to get Miguel, because you know I do collect Coco. So we have box number 1. Again, Box Lunch coming through with a wonderful sale, and I was like, what? I think these are like buy 5 get 2 free. They keep having that promotion as I keep checking. Like, I shouldn't be checking. Okay, there's a tear strip here. The first one is always the best because you don't know what it is. And we have, okay, we have Wall-E. Oh, from the jump, look at these two have glitter. Oh my gosh, this one most resembles a Dole Whip for sure. So we have the boot with the little plant coming out of it. I love the swirl. Again, that glitter is everything. The cup half of it does say Wall-E, and it does have like his little mechanical parts there. Really nice. And this is what the back looks like. This is going to be the same for all the pins, so I'm just going to show this one and move on. But they all will have the Funko crown, and they'll say Pixar on them. Very cool. Box number 2. Okay, we have the tear strip, and then we have, is it gonna be facing me or you? We have Heimlich. Wow. Okay. I'm a pretty butterfly. I actually don't know if that's the quote. I totally butchered it. But Bugs Life came out like eons ago, it feels like. But I love the colors on here, and again, it is glittery. I'm obsessed. What a wonderful job they did capturing the pattern here across the bottom. So nice. The little antenna sticking out. Obsessed. These are so good. Okay, box number 3. Okay, here we go. Number three, who do we have? Okay, we have Merida. Oh, wow. Look at that. The red hair color of the squirrel there. Really, really nice. Beautiful glitter. It does have like the shield here at the bottom. Loving that green. We have a quiver of arrows right here at the top. It's kind of hard to see, but that's what it is. It's a grouping of arrows there. Because she is an archer. The only Pixar princess. And I just love how they did her dirty in Ralph Breaks the Internet when they're like, she's from another studio. Because no one can understand the damn thing she's saying. This is so pretty. So, okay, this was the third one. Box number 4. Okay, who do we get? Who do we get? And we have Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. Yes, we have Buzz. I love the purple swirl in there with the white, and that's where they chose to do the glitter element. And then the base is his chest with all his buttons there. Dark Command. I will say that this is bizarre. There's like a little bleeding happening at this corner. Can y'all see that? Am I going crazy? No. It's like tarnish there. Strange. So that's a little disappointing. Box number 5. Okay, who do we get? Have boo. We have another Merida. Not bad. This will make a great trader. I know people love her. Okay, box number 6. Okay, what do we have? Do we have who I want? Oh, sorry. Oh, snap. It's Sully. Beautiful. Love that we have his horns as the accent. And that glitter is just gorgeous. And then you have the Monsters Inc. logo there. Okay, last box. So far, we're missing Carl. Figured out his name. Miguel and Dory. Okay. Okay, final box. Who's it gonna be? We have... Yes! Oh my gosh! We have Miguel! Yay! I am so freaking excited. I love this. Oh my gosh. So it's like chocolate with vanilla. Beautiful. And then with Hector's guitar here. Freak with me. And it has Miguel's hoodie. My gosh, that was so successful. Let's go ahead and put all the pins on the board and we'll break it down. Y'all, what a successful unboxing here. Of course, we have my traders here. Thank you again, Mickey, for those. And then here's what we opened up today. We have 6 in total out of the 8 that we need. So I only need to hunt down Dory and Carl, and then I can complete this set. So I'll just go ahead and buy those on the secondary market. But this is amazing. So to cap it off, we have Sully, Wally, Buzz, Miguel, Merida, a Merida for trade, and a Heimlich. So freaking cool. I'm so happy with this. Y'all, I don't know what's been going on. But Box Lunch totally hooked it up this time. So thank you so much to the person who filled this order. I do have this extra Merida, so if you want to trade for it, go ahead and hit me up on my Instagram and DM me there. Comment down below which one that I pulled today was your favorite. Did you get this pin set? Are we twinning on anything? Let me know. A huge thank you to all my subscribers. Your support means the world to me. We are on the road to 1,500 subscribers, so please go ahead and make sure that you like, comment, and share this video with someone you think that might like it. Also, be sure that you have that bell notification set to all so you're notified from future videos like this one. I hope y'all have been having a wonderful August so far. I am so excited to just hunker down and get ready for spooky season. So with that, be safe, tell someone that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!